What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank Be Chopping, back with another video. And today's video, we actually gonna be reviewing the TPOB play clipper. Let's get it. All right, man, so if y'all been subscribed to my channel for a minute, y'all seen your boy do the unboxing on this whiteout, snowstorm, blizzard, all white version of the TPOB play clipper. You also know that I've done a couple reviews on this clipper, not just this clipper, but obviously like the different colorways, but I'm sure y'all gonna be asking me for a review on this, you know, after using it for a little while. So I wanted to update y'all on that. I have been using this for a couple weeks now. I wanted to give y'all a little more of an update on how this thing has been working for me. Now, once again, I have done other reviews on this clipper. You can go check those out. I got a bunch of them on my channel. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and start talking about the all-white TPOB play clipper. Now, in case y'all didn't see my unboxing, I'm gonna go ahead and run y'all through some of the stuff on here. As you can see, we have the EXO play blade on the clipper. We do have a click lever with a stretch bracket that opens up a little more than traditional clippers. On the box, it says it opens up to a 1, but I don't think that it opens up to a true 1. Once again, I believe when clipper companies say the clipper opens up to a 1, I think they're more referring to like the 1 blade, not an actual 1/8 guard. But I just wanted to put that out there. We do have a rubber grip handle, so, you know, it feels nice in hand. We have a thumb groove right here, and then we also have grooves in the back for a little more comfortable ergonomics. It's not a bulky clipper, as y'all can see. It's a nice size clipper, honestly. You know, like obviously, people are gonna have their own preferences, but you know, if you don't like really, really big bulky clippers, you may like this one. We have a green LED light right here, as you can see. When it's on, obviously, you know that thing's ready to go. I believe it starts blinking when it's gonna die, or it blinks red when it's gonna die. Not 100% sure. I did talk about it in the unboxing, so if y'all wanna watch that video, go ahead and click that link and check that out. We do have a charging port down here, and this clipper does come with a charging stand, but I don't got the charging stand in this video because I'm just gonna talk about a little bit about the performance of this. Now, like I said, I've been using this clipper for a couple weeks now, and I've said this before in some of my previous videos talking about the TPOB plate clipper. All in all, man, it's a really good tool. Like, I really can't knock this clipper at all. There's really nothing bad to say about this clipper. I just think it really boils down to preference, right? Like, when it comes to debulking, this thing works good. When it comes to fading, this thing works good. When it comes to detailing, this thing works good. I've kind of been using the slower speeds when it comes to detailing, in the past couple of months now. And I really like detailing with slower speeds. Like, I knew people did it, but I didn't know how much of a difference it was going to make on my blends, right? But I have seen a difference with using the slower speed, which is, this is a 2-speed clipper. The slower speed is in the middle, and then full speed is all the way on top. But like I was saying, I have seen a difference with me using the slower speed to detail, and it just gives more of a butterier, blurry effect when I use that slower speed. Now, some people may not like the blade, obviously. I think that's a lot of people's thing, like, people have certain preferences on blades, and I really don't. Yes, I prefer a fade blade, but as long as I can gap the blade pretty close if needed, it's not an issue, right? Like, as long as I can gap it as needed to help get out that line from the razor, it ain't gonna be a big issue. And me personally, I like this blade on it, man. It's a nice blade. It does have oil reservoirs on the blade to keep the blade cooler and helps keep it lubricated. That way, it reduces friction, and it also, just like I said, it keeps it lubricated for smoother running. But all in all, man, great tool. I do got a couple clips of me using this tool, so obviously y'all gonna be seeing that on screen. But like I said, man, I really can't knock this clipper. All in all, great tool, great for fading, great for debulking, great for detailing. And I believe the price is like $120, $130. Don't quote me on that, but I will put the price on the screen for y'all. Also, if you do want to purchase this, you can go to thepissedoffbarber.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website, or you can go to TPOBUSA.com and use my discount code TANK. I think it's actually TANK on both websites, thepissedoffbarber.com and TPOBUSA.com, discount code TANK, not TANK10. So go to those websites, use my discount code TANK. That way y'all can get this at a discounted price.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
But yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to give y'all a little update on this. And I really don't want to make this video too long. Y'all seen the unboxings. Y'all seen a lot of other people talk about this on social media. Y'all seen your boy drop a couple videos on it. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on this actual colorway. And like I said, man, all in all, it works, gets the job done. If you like the Pissed Off Barber, if you like the TPOB, If you like his brand, then obviously you're gonna like this clipper. And if you don't, you might not. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.